Hey, what's going on, guys? Matt here from myrawintuition.com. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a 5-star salad in under 5 minutes. All right, so we're going to show you a little trick that I want you guys to use if you are concerned with the amount of time that it takes to, prepare a big salad every single night. I know we're all busy, so I want to give you guys as many practical options as possible to make this lifestyle work. All right, so first of all, you want to have your cutting board and your big bowl here that we're going to put the salad in. And I am going to start the timer at 1 minute here. And then we're going to make sure that we're finished making the salad in under 5 minutes for you. All right, so we got about 5 seconds here. And 3, 2, 1. All right. So, get out your greens. Now this is the first trick, is to big batch make your salad toppings. What do you call that? Batch cooking is, if you're cooking, but this is just batch preparing is what we'll call it. All right, so batch prepare your salad toppings one day. So pick whatever day you have off that you can take a little bit of time to make a bunch of shredded carrots in your, get out the food processor, shred a bunch of carrots, shred some onion, shred some mushrooms, or whatever other toppings that you want to put onto your salad. And you're going to make enough to last about 3 days, 3 to 4 days. Once you start doing it, you'll get the hang of it and you'll see what works the best for you. So what I have here is about 2 cups of carrots. Actually, I kind of forget what I have in here. But essentially, this is the second one that I used of this big batch of toppings that I made the other day. So I've got another container in there that I can use tomorrow. And again, this is just going to make it go super fast. So we've got some frozen peas in here. We've got carrots. We've got onion, celery, sprouts. So we've got some lentil sprouts, and I think some clover sprouts. And I think that is it. So that is going to be my toppings for the salad. So it's ready to go. All I got to really do is cut up my greens. Oh, and then also we made a big batch of a salad dressing as well. So find the salad dressing that you want in any of my recipe books, but especially the book that is in the Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle running this week. You can get that in the link in the description box down below. Terrific deal. I really recommend it. And in the bundle, you're going to get my brand new ebook, 21-day raw transformation. And so it's got a 21-day meal plan. It's got over 75 recipes, and it teaches you how to design your daily meal plan. It teaches you how to, approach the raw vegan diet in a healthy and sustainable way. And so I really recommend it. All right, we got to get going here before that 5 minutes is up. All right, so again, make a big batch of your dressing that you want, and you can either put it into little separate containers like I have here, or you could make it, just pour it into one big quart mason jar, and you can just pour it as you need it, whatever works for you. All right, so also, I guess another tip is if you're in a hurry a lot and you don't have a lot of time, you can buy pre-washed greens. So we've got some baby arugula here. You can get heads of romaine that are, come in a plastic package. I personally prefer to buy the big, fresh heads that come on their own, that don't come in a plastic bag. But I understand, again, that people are busy, so if you need to buy, the packaged romaine heads, that's a great way to save some time. So this one is actually I don't think, was this one in a packaged bag? Mm-hmm. Oh, it was, okay. So yeah, this is one that came out of a plastic bag, so, you know, I don't really need to wash it. I've already kind of inspected the leaves here, and it looks good. So those ones typically are pretty clean, so we just gotta chop it up. All right. So easy as that. So also I'm going to throw in some of this arugula. Now I just like to give it a quick chop. Just bunch it up really nice here. And just do a quick couple chops. Okay, and I'm also going to throw in just a few leaves of kale. All right, are we still under time here? It's got to be pretty close. All right, so now I'm going to just throw on my toppings and throw on one of my dressings. And then one last thing. Just going to throw on a few grape tomatoes. And there you have it, guys. There is a 5-star salad for you that took maybe a little over 5 minutes in this video, but if I weren't explaining things to you, it would have taken maybe 3, maybe 4 minutes, right? So that is one way that you can really cut down on your prep time every day. You know, make enough for 3 or 4 days at one time, and then those next few days, it only takes just a few minutes to get everything set up. So I hope you enjoyed that. Again, if you are interested in learning more about this lifestyle and learning the way that I have found to be successful over the last almost 11 years now, definitely check out my new book, 21-Day Raw Transformation, in the Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle, going on right now, and you can get that in the link in the description box below. If you have any questions, of course, leave them in the comments box, and I would look forward to seeing you in the next video. Always follow your raw intuition.